Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be polishing some accent headlights. We will be using the Meguiars headlight restoration kit with the drill attachment. This video is not sponsored. We are going to start by applying masking tape around the headlight and then taking the polish and slowly applying it and slowly working it in at the beginning just to spread it around. Okay, now that we've got that worked in a little better, we are going to turn up the speed on the drill and really try and work this in and polish it, give it a few good passes. Now we're going to give it a very good wipe down, ensuring we get all the polish off. After that, we're going to give the headlight a quick coat of the spray and a second coat a few minutes later. Here is the finished headlight versus an unfinished headlight. And now, the before and after. Remember to like and subscribe.